Well, I used my new Milwaukee belt sander. All the videos advertised works great on XC 5.0. They're all fake. Every one of those videos must be paid. This is all the dust I made. That's all the sanding I did. Just got started. I ain't sanded 30 seconds. Look at this stupid thing, if you can even see it. Battery's flashing all over the place. That's pretty warm. I want to know how you're supposed to use one of those other batteries that's got all the vent holes and shit. All this stuff will be all inside of it. What a crock of bullshit. Won't work. Light comes on. Won't give it no power. No power. That stupid battery doing that shit. We're gonna try something else. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm gonna try it again. I'm not gonna hold the camera or nothing like that. I'm just gonna try it, see what happens. See if that high output will do anything. I know it's only a 3, but that's what I have right at the moment. I really don't want to go get my 12 amp hour Ford's battery. I just don't understand how you'd use it without filling the back end plumb full of dirt and dust. Just a stupid idea if you ask me. Be right back. Well, I tried it out. You see I got a lot more dust. It lasted a whole lot longer. It never got hot. Not a bit. It's not even warm. But it didn't last no time. We're already down 1 bar. You can't hardly see it. No, wait. We got 3 bars. Oh, I could have swore I only had 1 bar. But anyways, there's 3 bars. That 3.0 high output runs circles around this 5.0. This sucker is hot. It's hot all the way around, mainly on the bottom. It is very, very hot. See if it's still flashing. Yep. Still too hot to do anything. Well, let's sand some more and see what happens. Well, I spoke too soon. Sanded on it just a few more seconds. And now it went to 1 bar. I swore it said 1 bar before I started the video a while ago. And then whenever I showed you, it showed 3 bars. It's warm. Ain't nothing compared to this one. This one's still very, very hot. And I don't have a temperature gun out here, and by the time I get one, this video will be over. Or I'll run out of memory. Well, I guess I'll try something else. We'll see how long it lasts. Alright, let's see what happens here. Yeah, I got an adapter. Ain't got enough batteries. Full bars. Alright, I'm gonna pause and see what happens. That was quick. About 2 seconds total, and it quit. Light won't work, nothing. Absolutely quit. That shows full bars. Works now. It must have a safety deal in it. It absolutely, I ain't joking. I turned it on and touched that wood, and it was off. That was fast. Let's see if he'll even do it. So far, that's longer. I don't know what the... Well, it's wanting to work, so I'm going to pause it and try it again. Well, it finally died. Rigid ain't very hot. It's probably a little hotter than the 3.0. And that one's the hottest. It is still hot as a firecracker. Well, I'm gonna go get a different battery. Be right back. Okay, I went in and did get the temperature gun so we can see. That's on the 3.0. Rigid. Not too bad, actually. And there's the 5.0. 108. Alright, now flip them over where it's really hot. 3.0, 123. Rigid, 134. Milwaukee 5.0, 120. But it has set here. That wasn't that hot earlier. It has sat here and cooled off, so what has it been? 5-minute video so far, and I've stopped and ran back and forth. 96. Put 8.0 Fords on. Let's see how it does. Pause. Alright, I got the Fords. See how hot it is. See, this is what I don't understand. Get all those holes and it just fills plumb up full of dirt. Dust. 98.1. It's staying the coldest. It never quit. It never got tired. And all I used was one bar, but it kept its power the whole way. Those other three just slowly went down. Well, I guess I'm going to the next project. Clean that out. Try something else. Thanks. Have a good day. Subscribe and share, please. Here, kitty. Come here. Come here. Come here.